Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the essentials ready. Verify your TV accepts HDMI, USB, or casting. Once done, enable your phone's hotspot or prepare a wired adapter. Make sure your data plan and battery can sustain streaming, otherwise plug the phone into power. Also confirm the adapter type matches your phone and TV. Incompatible adapters are the most common failure. Now proceed to establish a network or physical link so the TV can receive the phone's internet or display output. You now create the connection. If wireless, turn on the mobile hotspot, name it clearly, and set a secure WPA2 password. Then connect the TV to that SSID through the TV's network menu. If wired, plug the adapter into the phone and HDMI into the TV, then switch the TV to that HDMI input. Once linked, make sure the TV's resolution matches the phone's output, and select the appropriate Wi-Fi band for range or speed so buffering is minimized. Finish by launching a streaming app or web page to verify both display and internet work. You should monitor data use and plug the phone into power to avoid drops. Enable Data Saver where possible. Make small tweaks to picture settings and app quality to reduce bandwidth. If something goes wrong, first confirm the TV is on the correct input and the hotspot SSID matches. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the phone and TV and recheck adapter compatibility. This fixes most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.